What's going on, guys? I got a shit ton of things going on today. Gotta finish washing that and get it up for sale. Finish washing that, blah blah blah, get that for sale. I just rebuilt the carburetor on this. It has electric start, so I figured what the hell, we'll make it easy and just start it with the electric starter. Why not, right? It has it. I noticed the ring gear, the plastic ring gear, have a little bit of chewed up. But still, I want to show that with the electric starter. Because, see, you can still do it, even if you don't have a battery. But hold on. 1 second. Here, let's do it right now. The contacts had, you know, those protectors on them, so I had to try to bite through them. So hopefully they're making contact. I'm going to find out right now. No, they're not. Well, I can ground this anywhere. So I just got to get the red to make contact. Alright, I got it hooked up, but check this out. So when I turn the key, it's not catching it because... yeah, because I guess those teeth are probably chewed up. Well, you know what? I'm just going to sell it as electric starter optional anyway. But a lot of those teeth are shot. Here, let me get it to an area where the ring gear isn't gone yet, like right here. And then this might not even be coming down far enough. It is now. Maybe a little WD. Hold on 1 second. Alright, I WD'd it. Let's see if it does it. I figure, what the heck, it has the electric start. Make life easy on me for a second, you know what I mean? Wanted to grab it. It still doesn't want to grab it though. Probably because that ring gear is shot. I might have a flywheel with that ring gear if I really want to screw around. Or it just might be the starter not coming down far enough on them. But they are chewed, so that might be a large percentage of the issue. If not, I'll just use the rope. I just figured, what the heck, try it right here. I'll even, you know what, keep it right there. This way at least we know it's gonna grab it, right? Let's see. There we go, here we go. I forgot to prime it though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I rebuilt the carburetor. All it really needed was an O-ring, otherwise it was cleaning. Yeah, see, that's what it is. That ring gear is shot. I mean, I can probably look. I might have one. You know, just to add it, so this way I know it's, you know, working. A working electric starter. Either way, I can still sell it as electric starter optional. Come on, baby. Come on, come on. It should start. I clean that carburetor. Unless it's not getting spark. It's the only thing I haven't checked yet. I've got compression. This is not the right spark plug even, really. I've got compression. I've got, should have fuel. And the only thing that would still be stopping it is spark. Unless that electric starter isn't turning it over quick enough. But yeah, while I'm talking about this, I made my first post on a YouTube group. If you're from East Brunswick, you know. I shared some of those turnpike photos. At first I was worried people weren't gonna like it. It's already got like 27 likes. Because I mean, it was when the turnpike was first built. It was only a 4-lane road. There was nothing there at Interchange 9. There was nothing there. So, hey, it's good to know where we've come from to know where we're going. It's true. Let's see what happens here with this. Gotta get it back on the teeth again. So it's either not getting fuel or it's not getting spark. I'm inclined to think we gotta keep our eye on this if I can. Yeah, here. It's getting spark. So it's fuel. It's fuel. There shouldn't be anything blocking it off though. I don't want to have to mess with that rope at the moment. Here. Come on, baby. I was expecting this thing to fire right up. It's definitely got compression. It's definitely got everything we need. So unless I did something wrong with the carburetor or I didn't clean it properly, but I went to town on it. Unless this primer bulb isn't working, but I would think it is. Here, we can give it a little bit of help. That's the one other thing we can do real quick. I want this thing to start so I can get over there and mess with that one. I got a lot to do. I've got 2 engines I've got to ship. Hopefully I can get them out of here today, or at least boxed. Yeah, we know it's got sparks, so we don't have to worry about that. That is the wrong spark plug. And maybe this... that would shut the spark off, but that should be off fine, because it was good. We're just going to do it the old-fashioned way. Just give it a little go-go juice. Go-go juice. Plus, I mean, I'm right under a carpet. We don't want the carpet to get chewed up. So it's probably good that it didn't. Alright, there's help in there now. Stupid covers. I hate these covers. Damn. Unless this key's got me in the on position. What's up with this? No. Unless that has to be unplugged. No, it was getting spark, right? Well, here, unplug this. I don't know what's up with that. I just cleaned that carburetor. Unless I didn't do a good enough job. Put in the ultrasonic cleaner. That stuff wasn't that clean today. And then I didn't have any carb clean, so I had to just blow it out. We'll be back to this one. I gotta figure out what's going on. That sucks. That sucks. It should be starting right now. I'm not happy about that. Unless these are... unless these were making touch contact. No way. It's either it's not getting fuel. One way or the other, it's not getting fuel. That's what's going on. But it should have licked off on starting fluid. It should have licked off on starting fluid no matter what. Hold on a second. Let me get this figured out. I got it to kick over. It died immediately, which is carburetor. I just cleaned the carburetor. See, normally, this is the primer. Still should be working, right? It's got play to it. You should only have to press that thing 3 times. So, either this thing's not getting fuel, or there's something else going on. I think it's just not getting fuel. Which, you know, pisses me off, because I just cleaned this damn thing. And I thought I did a pretty good job of it, considering I didn't have carb clean to shoot through the jets. But, you know, I blew them out. I put it in the ultrasonic cleaner. This thing should be going. Oil? Yeah, there's a decent amount in there. Not horrible. I don't know. This is got me a little baffled at the moment. Alright, here's the deal with this one. It needs either carburetor cleaner to properly clean that carburetor. It wasn't bad in there, but evidently I missed one of the jets, and I didn't have carb clean, like an idiot. I mean, I'll go look inside one more time in my room just to make sure. Or it's not getting enough compression, and I highly, highly doubt that. I can almost guarantee that's not it. It's not getting fuel. Because when I shot starting fluid in there, it kicked, which means it will run. It's that carburetor, and it's not even in that bad a shape. That's the problem. So, in the meantime, what time is it now? Six. It's almost past rush hour. I think I'll wash that one first and then go get what I gotta get. Simple green, carb clean. And I gotta get boxes too, but I've gotta have that measured and everything. So I'll be back on this later.